If we are new to one another, welcome. I know there's already a lot of Apple content already out there, so thank you so much for clicking on this one. Watching smaller channels like myself is a lot like shopping local, so it's very much appreciated. Every view certainly counts, and if you are a new viewer, please consider subscribing, liking the video at the very end if you do end up liking the video, and definitely drop a comment down below because I respond to each and every one of you. I do have that benefit since it is a smaller channel, so let's strike up a conversation either on here or on social media. But with all of that said, let's get started. And of course, the iPad mini 6 now includes that all-screen design that was first introduced in 2018, and it was such a great design. I still have the iPad Pro from 2018, use it right now, and I absolutely love it. And it was later introduced actually this year with the iPad Air, Touch ID, all of the things, but we're gonna get to the specifics of this iPad mini. And of course, with that all-screen display, it also now has 5G support as well as Touch ID, that A15 Bionic chip, which is also found on the iPhone 13. And if you haven't already watched that unboxing, I'll link it somewhere above or below. Check it out later. But of course, if you're subscribed, you're not going to be able to miss it anyway. And what is also super cool is that this new iPad mini 6 has support for the second generation Apple Pencil, and it comes in these 4 new finishes which are super cute. The one that we're going to be looking at today is the Starlight, so that is a brand new color by Apple. They have the classical space gray, they have purple as well as the pink. And while watching the keynote, I was super shocked, but it does appear that Starlight is the closest being the neutral silver whitish tone, but it's said to have a mixture of gold as well as silver. I'm so curious to see. Again, I've seen a lot of videos, but there's nothing like seeing it in person. I'm sure it's gonna have its own little personality. I really do hope I like it. We have this white iPad folio case to go along with it, and I hope it doesn't clash or anything, which I'm guessing it doesn't. But then in terms of storage and pricing, I would not necessarily call this a budget iPad, because starting prices for 64 gigabytes of internal memory is going to cost you $449, which I would not necessarily recommend. Unless you are just using it as a home media consumption device, then I guess that will be okay for you. But if you quadruple the storage, which I think is crazy, they go from 64 to 256 gigabytes. So for $599, you will be getting 256 gigabytes of internal storage, which I think is pretty cool. And if you slap on another $150, you will get that 5G support. But there are really so many standout features, including the moving of the Touch ID over to the power button, which is what allowed it to be a full screen display. But we're going to get to the nitty-gritty of some of the other details of this product. But let's go ahead, let's open it on up. Let's take our first look, first impressions, that sort of thing. That's kind of why I clicked on the video. So let's go right ahead and do that. And right away, I'm noticing that it comes in plastic, which wouldn't be a shocker if the iPhone 13 came in no plastic. So the iPhone 13, no plastic, but yay us, we get plastic for the iPad mini, which makes it a satisfying unboxing, makes it satisfying. So let's go ahead and do just that. Ooh, I'm getting so good at this. You think I'd do it for a living or something. Like crinkle, like crinkle. Apple, just give us the crinkle. Sounds so good. All right, all right, all right. It lasts and then it's gone. It's like, you have no idea. All right, let's shimmy. Ooh, ooh, it's a tight squeeze, so that's good. I always like to judge the quality of the shimmy, and it is a tight shimmy. Yay, okay, set you there. All right, okay, so it is like this paper-like, covering, which was the housing the Apple sticker on the iPhone 13. So I'm guessing it's recyclable, so I will oblige Apple. I will recycle. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, we'll do that there. We have designed by California and Apple. I'm gonna guess this will get an Apple sticker. That is a guess. Oh, you get 2 Apple stickers. I love how these smaller products get all of the things. The iPhone only gets the 1 sticker. iPad mini, not so many, gets 2 stickers. And of course, now in the box, you are getting a USB-C C to USB-C adapter here. So we have the adapter, which is super great. I actually don't have a lot of these, so this will come in super handy. Thank you so much, Apple, for including it. That's generous. That's generous considering the price. And then you have the USB-C to USB-C because the iPad mini now supports USB-C. It doesn't support Thunderbolt. There's a difference there, but we'll take it. We'll take it. It makes universal charging a lot easier. You have no idea how many dongles, cords, you have no idea. Anyway. And as we set that guy off to the side, let's peel off this. Yeah, it's still quite satisfying, papery, plastic sort of thing. Oh my god, it's so cute. So yes, I do see the little hint of gold, but I'm totally satisfied with it being the new silver color. How cute, how cute. Yes, okay. Oh, volume buttons have moved to the top. I'm guessing that's because of the size. And then that is the power button, which will house the Touch ID. You have 2 speaker grills on the bottom as well as the top. That's pretty cool. And that's about it. You have a camera now, so I haven't had an iPad mini for a very long time. I think I had the original iPad mini so long ago. And it was a flat camera, but this one has a camera bump. Just like the iPad Pro from 2018, so that's cool. Yeah, it fits super nice in my hands. I wouldn't say I could hold it with one hand. I would not go that far, but I did downsize from iPhone 13 Pro Max to the standard iPhone 13. So this Duo here will hopefully get me through all of my needs. So I have a size that kind of has a 2-hand grip, which is cool. I've already thrown so many fingerprints on this, but you best believe I'm going to get a Paperlight screen protector for this guy, and links are down below if you want to support the channel. You could also use promo code Jamie during checkout, but I just suggest you click the link. And again, helps the channel, helps small channels. It is the thing to do. Let's power the guy up and I'll stop advertising myself. So of course, out of the box, it does come preloaded with iOS 15, which supports Scribble and the Apple Pencil. And of course, you could absolutely connect this to an external keyboard and mouse, but if you're picking up the size, I don't see you doing that. But with that Scribble feature, you are able to scribble anywhere with the Apple Pencil and immediately convert it to text. And I think that's what most people are looking to do with this form factor. But of course, any iPad really is eligible for iOS 15, so if you haven't already downloaded it, go ahead, upgrade your software system. There's so many multitasking features for you to take advantage of. And there you have it, guys. Let me know down in the comments if you're loving this iPad mini 6 size. I think it feels great in the hands, but let me know your opinion, your thoughts. Again, down in the comment section below. Drop a like on the video if you liked it. If you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. And until next time, see ya.